Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Suzanne with Susie's Handmade Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little pumpkin so you can decorate for Halloween or for Thanksgiving. It's all up to you. It's in your whatever you like to do, and today we're going to get started. We're going to need a 6mm crochet hook and some worsted weight yarn, or even cotton yarn would be great with this. So grab your hook and grab some yarn and let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to chain 3. Count back 3 chains, and in the 3rd chain from the hook we're going to make 9 double crochets. Okay, once you've made 9 double crochets, we're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 that we started with, right here. So we should have a total of 10 double crochets. Now we're going to chain up 2 and make one more double crochet into this chain, and we're going to place 2 double crochets in every stitch around for a total of 20 double crochets. And also you'll have to put 2 stitches right here, and to make sure you have enough stitches, your 20, count your stitches, and including your first chain 2, you should have a total of 20 stitches. Now slip stitch into the beginning chain 2 into the top of it, okay, and this is the end of our 2nd row. Now we're going to chain up 1, and in the same stitch we're going to place a half double crochet, like that. And in the next stitch we're going to place 1 half double crochet, in the next stitch 2 half double crochets, and we're going to continue this pattern around. So that's 1 half double crochet. Next stitch will be 2 half double crochets. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets. So repeat this around. At the end of this row, you should have 30 stitches. Okay, we're going to slip stitch into the chain 1 at the beginning, and then we're going to fasten off. And this completes our pumpkin. Next step, we're going to fasten off, and we're going to put a little cap on the top, the little stem of the pumpkin. So grab some brown yarn, or light brown yarn, whichever one you prefer. And we're going to put a little stem on our pumpkin. And stretch out your pumpkin, and it should look like this. Okay, grab your brown yarn. Okay, you're going to identify the stitch that you fastened off, about right here. You're going to slip stitch with your brown yarn into the top, like so. You're going to chain up 1. You're going to go to the next stitch with a single crochet, and then 1 more single crochet. Now you're going to chain up 1, you're going to turn your work, and you're going to make a single crochet into the same stitch. Okay, and you're going to make a single crochet the next stitch, and 1 more in the last stitch. Maybe tight, but you got to get down in there. So for a total of 3 single crochets. We're going to go up 1 more row. So we're going to chain up 1, turn your work. We're going to make a single crochet in the same chain, 1 for the middle and 1 on the end. And now we're going to fasten off. Now you're going to want to weave in your ends, and here's your pumpkin. I'm going to make another video showing how to make a garland with these pumpkins. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, how about give me a like so I'll know. And if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.